All right, welcome back, Brett here. So as we get started, we're going to get you the tools, the software tools you need to get set up and to do this right. Now, firstly, the software stack here, the tech stack is not hard. There's, I think, two things you need other than an internet connection. So the first one is going to be an email finder tool. And I'm going to show you what this is on my screen right now. This is called the Email Extractor. You'll see here, I just went on to Google. I typed in Email Extractor plugin. This is a Chrome plugin, and you'll see right here it shows up on top. Now, you don't need exactly this plugin. You just need something that's going to do something similar. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to pull open that Email Extractor. Now, I already have it in Chrome here, and if you're not using Chrome, I mean, I would recommend it at least for the time being. But either way, remove from Chrome. I'm not going to remove it. I already added it. When you add that up here into Chrome, you will see that I have it right here, Email Extractor. And what happens is when you click on this, it searches the web page code for any emails. And so if I click this, you'll see there's no emails, but oh, apparently there is one email, this whole big chain at centurynext.wixpress.com. I don't want that email, but there is an email embedded into this page somewhere. So this speeds up your process so you don't have to go hunting for the whole thing, hunting through the whole thing. And you'll see us implement this in the future, but you can use this plugin. If you find a better plugin that works even better than this one, please put that in the comments because we always want to make sure, we're using the best tools we can. So this is Email Extractor. This is what I'm currently using, works really well. And with that, I'll see you in the next video. God bless.